Lori Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher here today, sharing little vocal tips once a week because a couple of people have asked me to. So this is part 3 of how to effectively use your breath as a vocalist. So part 1 was to make sure that your posture is nice and straight, your rib cage is nice and expanded, and your core, your belly, is relaxed. So part 3, which is especially important for singers, but speakers, I want you to hear this too. You also have to have a nice open throat. What do I mean by open throat? Well, there's not a lot of tension here, and that means in the tongue. Now, this might sound a little weird, but the tongue is actually attached to the larynx, the voice box. And so if there's tension in the tongue and it's kind of, blocking things in the back of the throat, that is going to keep your larynx from moving easily as it needs to when you're a singer. But also be aware of this as a speaker. Relax everything as much as you can. Ribs out, nice posture, relax your belly, open throat, whoa, and let your voice ring out all the way to the back of the room. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you with another tip real soon.